Great, we're almost done. Next, we're going to create a button to navigate to the login screen. So let's continue here. Let me scroll up. Let me just put a comma here to format this a little bit differently. And very good. So right after the column and the padding, so right here after the padding, what we want to do is we want to add a little size box. We want to give a little height, a little space. We'll use 16 pixels. Perfect. Let me scroll up a little bit better. All right, I'm going to save this. So what do we want to do now? Let's add a row. Okay. So the children. What are the children going to be? It's going to be a divider. So const expanded and the child. And this is going to be a divider. So divider. And like the end indent to be about 16 pixels. So I want to indent it in from the right end. Okay, perfect. Put a comma. And next we're going to put the text button. And what do we want to do? So on the unpressed, format this here. All right. On the unpressed, let's do this. We will navigate. And we'll use the navigator of context. Perfect. We're going to dot push replacement named, right? And it's going to be the user login page route. Since we've set all those up already, that's perfect. Next, what is the child going to be? So that's going to be a text field, right? I have a login. Save. And that's looking good, right? Now, right after the text button, let's add one more item. So we're going to do a const, expand it again. What is the child going to be? We're going to add another divider. Okay. And this divider, the indent is going to be 16 pixels. Put a comma here. Let's save. And here we have it. I have a login, right? And there's our button. Let's test this out. The email, we'll just do a basic email. email@email.com. Of course, it's just a test, right? If you notice here, next, and it goes to the next text field. Now, then I use these passwords. These are just for testing purposes. I'm going to say the password at 100. We'll do next. And password at, but what if we do, instead of 100, 11? If you notice, it doesn't work. Let's delete the last two, 100. Let's one more zero and it should register okay. And it's working perfectly. I'm going to hide the keyboard. So that's looking real good. Let's commit our changes to GitHub. Commit. I'm going to uncheck the main Dart file, because the changes here are just temporarily for now. And we're going to do the same changes, login and for the password pages. So let's just say that we added the user register page. Okay. Period. Let's commit and push. Push. Excellent job. You created the text button with logic to navigate to the login page. Next, you'll create the login page.